Hello, today's lesson I'm going over safety beam pre-wire. When you are putting the pre-wire into the motor head, always braid the wires together, the copper pieces, so when you put them in there and they do not fall out. When you put them in there separately, sometimes the motor will vibrate and make them fall out. When you are reconnecting previous pre-wire to brand new safety beam wire, I like to personally cut about a foot off. And the reason why we are doing this is so it looks a little cleaner instead of wire being all over the place down there. And one trick that I've learned in all my years doing this is definitely straighten out the wire. Grab your wire strippers, cut down the middle about 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches, depends on what you want to do. Then you're going to strip the wire, exposing the copper behind the pre-coating. Now, I personally like to take a flathead screwdriver. I mean, you can use whatever you can get that's straightened. Definitely make sure that the wire is straightened out so this works effectively. You're going to turn the wire around whatever you have. Again, I like to do a flathead screwdriver. Even a Phillips works just as good. You're basically going to make a pigtail out of this. And what this does is has about that foot of wire now condensed down into only a few inches. So if you ever need to redo the wire, you have plenty of wire there to do it. And it looks clean, okay? Now, for the next step, when you are connecting the snappy bracket, which we just call them snappy brackets because they snap onto the track, with the safety beam, definitely tighten down the wing nut. Not too tight, but tight enough so the safety beam does not move, okay? Tight, not super tight. And now for the actual wire down at the bottom of the track, when you're connecting the pre-wire to the safety beam wire, braid your wires. Always braid them, okay? And then you're going to use electrical tape just to finish it off. Make sure it's clean.